joining us here today. I also just want to thank everyone for coming here today as well. We welcome you to the house of the Lord. As we get ready to praise and worship, church, I'm saying we rise to your feet at this moment. Rise to your feet. It says in Psalms 100, verse 2, it says, worship the Lord with gladness, come before him with joyful songs. So if you look to the person next to you, touch them and say, hey, be happy, be happy. Behind you, turn to the behind you. Hey, be happy. Be happy. Just like our Elder Moore said last week, he said, though we may have thorns in us, that is an indication that yes, we are still here and we are still standing, so we should give that God all the glory and all the praise that he deserves. Because God is doing it. So despite what you have gone through this week, despite what you've gone through just a few minutes or an hour ago, just remember that God is in the center of it all, and that we're here to worship his name.